Hi, today I want to share with you a pivot table tricks, right? It's called how to create a relation between two tables. So let's take a look at this. Right, suppose that you have a customer worksheet and there's an ID and there's also an orders worksheet. They also have customer ID. If you want to know that this ACME bikes uh, how many order they do, right? You have to look at here. um, the previous way would be using a VLOOKUP to look up this, but here is VLOOKUP like this here, right? So equal VLOOKUP, and then click on this cell here, comma, then go to back here, tell everything, just two column, right? And then kind of locking it, make sure it's lock it, so it's already locked, right? Because it's an Excel table, right? So then forget this the second column, then false type will be using 0. So now I have my customer from the customer ID I can get back what is the name of this customer ID. This is the usual way, right? Now today we will what we do is that we will delete this, right? We use the go to data tab, choose the button called relationship under data tools, right? And we create a relationship between these two documents. Okay, so we can click a new. Over here we choose the order, and we know that it is from this customer because of the ID, right? So, and where do you get from the ID from? Like you get from a customer's table, and also it's the same customer ID. So these are the two that help linking these two worksheets together. Click OK, and then click Close. Now we can create a new. Go to Insert tab, Pivot. From data model, right? We can click on here, data models, and click OK. Now we can say that there's actually two Excel from table, right? So first off, I can give it a name of the customer. See here. Then now, without using VLOOKUP, I can still get the unit sold for each of the customer. See that because there is a relationship created between these two tables, and then well, that's it, right? So that's how we can create relationship and make use of it in a pivot table. Thanks for watching.